I just encountered some ducks, quite a family of birds, right along the bike path. And they're all eating whatever insects they're finding in there, I'm not sure. Here comes some more joining the flock. Come on down, have a party. Well, they're crossing the road. I don't want to go up there right now. I'm going to wait till they pass. Here comes some more. There's some people walking down too. I'm on my bike. Let's see if I can get a little closer. That's going to be really shaky. Just see what else is here. I am at Marsh Bend Road. Is that what it's called? Yeah, that's the Marsh Bend Road. Right there, the car is going by. Back to the family. Having a feast on, I don't know what, they're eating bugs. Okay. It's a wildlife preserve here, so I see a lot of birds. And this is part of the Hogeye Trail. Okay.